The counter canter is an exercise that shows if the horse is in balance in the canter. It is an advantage to perform this exercise with a horse that lacks balance in the canter, but it also helps improve the strength and suppleness of the horse. And now we will see this horse perform a counter canter. And we now change the direction. This horse is educated and has performed many counter canters. When we do counter canters, we try to variate the speed so that we can ride faster and slower as we please, so that the horse doesn't get too passive in the counter canter. With younger horses, we either ride a small serpentine and try to make the horse keep the canter, or we do a circle incline back to the track and do the counter canter on the last bit of the long side. Here, when we perform the counter canter, you can also position the neck from right to left to assure that the horse is relaxed. And also move the hindquarters a little bit from the right to the left. But everything, all this is easiest on a horse that has learned to find its balance and the strength to do the counter canter. I believe that no horse is getting too old or too good to do the counter canter. It's an exercise that is an advantage to perform on any horse.